the grand awakening. The only urgency right now is to get to know thyself. This portal shall bring us emotional discharges. Therefore, expect to have the following symptoms: throat chakra opening, intensifying. You may feel sometimes like choking. Intensity in emotional discharges. Peak of sadness accompanied by the intense blissful flow. Tiredness. Muscle pains. Digestion system alterations. Muscle laziness, followed by intense energetic level. Vibrational fields are intensifying, assisting you in expansion and gaining more clarity of the mind. The crown chakra is flowering. To smooth the transition into the new path, we suggest that you ground yourself. Walk barefoot in nature if possible. Very important, breathe slowly and remember that you are awakened and that you are walking within the matrix. Make sure to focus on the fact that you are the higher self, as within, so without, as above, so below. Be conscious and do not fall into the trap of the stories playing in the matrix. We are co-creating with God. Cause and effect shall be intensified now. Always keep the mind clear. Dust has to be cleaned every day. Keep the mind clean of any dust, so you can experience life with your eyes fully opened. Enjoy the moment and let it rise within you. Be in total awareness of self within self. You are working outside of the grid, yet you are inside of the matrix. You're here to heal the whole, to invoke joy by being presence itself. We are the present of presence. Feel it, be it, love it. Navigate with ease and never forget, you are awakened inside of the matrix. Dear ones, all light beings are feeling the emotional release of the whole planetary system. Mastering the intensity of love is the key to the flow. By mastering the state of flow, with great confidence, you shall empower the whole. Emotional releases of karmic history shall be intensified and profound, uplifting you into the dharmic state. We are awakening the whole matrix, and we are seeing and feeling the process which is affecting the whole system. Remember to stay in the observer's seat. Do not fall back into the sleep mode, playing the role of the martyr, victim, or the predator. We are masters of craft, and for that, meditational practices are of utmost importance daily. Do not forget, you are the empowerment of light. You are the golden net uplifting the whole system. Do not take nothing personally. Love as never before. Feel the energy uprising that is giving ourselves every single moment a new script to accomplish. We are not followers. Remember, we are the leaders of light. We empower the whole. The ego mind is a limited server of the higher mind. Freedom is always established within our center. Stay put in your center of power. Use it fully. Free yourself of all electronic dependencies, utilizing them to its minimum. We are the higher masters, co-creating with our vessels. Each one of us, in our unique beauty, are different packages, infinite flows of love, overwhelming the whole Maya, being with love, to live in love eternally, seducing the system to be in complete awe of its unimaginable powers. Definition is limitation. Do not define, refining clarity. Rather, recognize simplicity, breathing and living intensely. We are transformers, magnificent creations of divine love. We stay put within ourselves, letting this amazing canvas be painted by God through us. We are the brushes, and God's hand the artisan, letting the whole dance of divinity show us the true meaning of being alive. We are not the body, but we are beings of light, enchanting ourselves with our beauty, our love, our passion for life, creating life and recreating it in each moment with God. We are the brink of magnificence. We cannot describe it with words. This portal of 222, let us relax and expand in total absorption of the magnitude of God, freeing our minds to be in this fascinating eternal vacation. Walk slowly, nowhere to go, nothing to do, but let the master plan be the doer in each one of us. We are the perfect lover's dance, opening the curtains to the grand event of heaven on earth. Let us stay still and feel God's power operating in us, and thus clear view shall be granted. With much love from Sirius.